Welcome to Bright. We're glad you're here. Congratulations on joining a community of over 100,000 real estate professionals with access to listing and public records information spanning over 40,000 miles, not to mention the latest tools, technology, and insights. I'd like to introduce you to your guides and mentors, Bright's customer success coaches, whose mission is to help drive your business forward. You'll connect with this team online in workshops, in person at your local Realtor Association events, and even in your office doing outreach. Feel free to contact them during your office hours. With professionals in 6 states and the District of Columbia, various business models and roles, we know you have diverse needs. So we offer different options and opportunities to learn. We've broken your journey into bite-sized chunks and avenues that you can follow at your own pace. Ready to get started? We're here to help. Visit our Getting Started page for a central place to find live training registration, on-demand tutorial options, how-to articles, and more. A great place to begin is with our first 3 steps to getting started in Bright. Then follow with learning about other common workflows that you can tackle in a way that makes sense for you. We'll be reaching out to you through email with important prompts and information, so be sure to add us to your safe sender list. And follow us on social media to make sure you stay in the know. We look forward to your success, and we're here to help.